pagpapalakas at pagpapatuloy ng ugnayang pangkalakalan ng Pilipinas at China sa kabila ng issue ukol sa West Philippine Sea. Ito ang sinisikap abutin ng mga itinalagang sugong pangkalakalan ng Pilipinas sa nasabing bansa. Si George Bandola may special report.
Patuloy na nililigawan na may tinalagang trade envoy ng Pilipinas sa mga ASEAN at Chinese investors sa ginaganap na ika-siyam na China-ASEAN Exposition dito sa Nanning City, Guangxi Province, China. Sa kanyang pagsasalita, pinagmalaki ni Trade and Industry Director Dennis Mirales sa mga mahalagang puntos kung bakit Pilipinas ang dapat piliin bilang susunod na investment hub sa buong Asia. Kabilang sa mga ito ang pananatiling angat ng ating ekonomiya sa gitna ng Eurozone at American crisis.
The service export for 2012 hit the U.S. $4.14 billion mark for the first semester of 2012, anchored on the strength of the business process outsourcing sector that directly employs about 640,000 employees.
Ipinagyabang din ni Mirales ang patuloy na pagtaas ng OFW remittances kaysa noong nakarang taon na nagpapanatiling angat sa ating pananalapi at ang mga industriyang nagpapakitang gilas ngayon tulad ng mga sektor ng textile and garments, foods at mining.
To June 2012, remittance stood at $10.13 billion, or a growth of 5.1% from last year's $9.64 billion. The country's inflation rate as of August 2012 stood at 3.8%, well within the government's target of 3 to 5% for the year.
Isa namang investment locator, inaanyayahan din ng British na si John Boakes ng Peregrine Development International ang mga mamumuhunan sa Pilipinas. Napakalaki ng potensyal ng Pilipinas anya bilang susunod na destinasyon ng mga nagpaplanong magpalawak ng kanilang mga negosyo sa Asia.
I think the Philippine government, particularly at the moment, have made a very good job at making it welcoming for foreign investment. So I think maybe the problems in the past, the bureaucracy, the corruption, I think those are times that have passed now. So it's much easier to do business in the Philippines.
Sa kabila ng mahal na kuryente sa Pilipinas, marami din daw ibinibigay ang Philippine government para tugunan ito tulad ng pagbibigay ng mga incentives at mababang buwis sa mga papasok na major investments.
I think China is looking outside now. China is one of those economies, it's like the Philippines, it's booming here. They have a lot of money to invest and they are more outward looking now. They are keen to learn English as a country and they're keen to do business internationally. So I think the Philippines couldn't be in a better position geographically and welcoming. I talked about how welcoming the people in the Philippines are. So the Philippines must be ready now for investment from China because it's going to come and we have to be the ones that are going to grab it, otherwise another country will.
Ang lungsod ng San Fernando City sa probinsya ng La Union naman ang tampok na City of Charm ng Pilipinas ngayong Ka-Expo. Mula sa Nanning, Guangxi, China, kasama sina Romel Tagbas at Joseph Parafina para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.